My name is Glenda Mayo, and I'm the advisor and a faculty member at the University of West Florida in the building construction program. Most of the jobs within the construction industry are typically, and they range anywhere from owning your own company. In other words, you would obtain your business license and your contractor's license. In the construction program, most construction programs typically prepare students for obtaining their contractor's license. But some of the other jobs that you could obtain through the building construction program or a building construction program would be jobs similar to a project manager, an estimator, code administration, superintendent. There's actually quite a wide range of jobs that you could obtain in going through a building construction program. Because the construction program has several different disciplines that we must deal with once students graduate, a lot of those other disciplines and a lot of the other programs out at the university may have students who want to take our courses. For example, students in the environmental studies program or an environmental studies program might, for example, take the sustainability course so that they could learn what's involved in terms of building a green building, because a building also includes all of the sites and surroundings and might involve someone from the environmental aspects. People such as business may want to take construction courses that deal with the administration and the business side of things, so that if they wanted to perhaps be an accountant for a construction company, for example, they may still want to take construction courses to get a better idea of what the contractors deal with on a day-by-day basis. Most people think about hard hats and job sites whenever they think of the construction industry, and especially the jobs within the construction industry. However, that's a misconception in terms of what contractors actually do for the most part, and especially project managers. Most construction programs will teach students project management and a lot of diverse topics, which is one of the things that I think attracts a lot of people to the construction industry, is the fact that it doesn't focus on one single area, that it includes so many different disciplines. And within those disciplines, you have, for example, courses that have to be taught regarding project management, a lot of the paperwork, accounting, and business aspects of construction. And then additionally, the industry has gotten very technical. Just the scheduling alone requires a software. The scheduling software that's typically used is called Primavera. And then there are other softwares that are required for the estimating side. And then one of the later softwares that's entered the industry and actually entered in terms of the design aspects, but the contractors have had to learn it as well, is building information modeling. The acronym for that is BIM, and our students are also learning BIM. They design basically virtually, create the building virtually first before it's built, which is an interesting aspect. The internships that most students get are related to project management. Sometimes they go in directly as a project manager. Occasionally they may go in as well as an assistant project manager. One, I think, very interesting aspect is that here at our university, it's been interesting as a faculty member to be able to go look at some of the new construction on campus and actually see our students working as project managers on some of those jobs. Which is really nice to see that they're moving directly into the industry and providing valuable input and contribution with the companies that they intern with. Another internship opportunity that we've seen lately is some of the hotels that are being built on our coastal area. And students are getting internships with contractors who are building some very large buildings, such as the hotels. We've also had another internship where they were working on a large casino. So students are able to put a lot of their knowledge to work and go to work directly with these contractors. The construction industry, because of its diversity and because of the fact that it encompasses several different disciplines in terms of, if you want to be good in the construction industry, you have to have knowledge in business, you have to have knowledge in project management, for example. So due to that aspect, there are, in the past where you were able to work your way through and work your way up in a construction company, that's become a lot more difficult, and nowadays a lot more of the contractors who are hiring are looking for people who have their bachelor's degree in construction, simply because the construction programs do teach all of the technologies and do teach all of the areas within these disciplines that are necessary to be an effective project manager. Advice that I would give any person who's interested in the construction industry would be to possibly see an advisor with the construction program. Talk to them about many of the things and jobs that they can do once they receive their degree. Most advisors have lists of those jobs that are specific in what they entail. Because of the fact that, again, construction is so diverse, you can get a job where you are sitting inside all day doing estimates, and if you enjoy that aspect, there are things that you can do that lend itself more towards that side of the construction industry. However, if you like being outside, there are also opportunities there as well. So because of the fact that construction is so diverse and there are so many different jobs, probably the best thing would be to meet with contractors if you can, possibly volunteer for organizations such as Habitat for Humanity, where you can get some hands-on experience to see if this is what you want to do and to see if it's possibly something that interests you for the future.